Okay, we're going to try to just go over real quick how to add a video to the website itself. In this case, I've already done it. Basically, what you're doing when you're adding a video is, generally speaking, you're actually not adding the video to the website, but you're going to actually add the video. You're going to add an image, and then you're going to link that image to a widget of the video. And so here, a lightbox of the video. So in this situation, we're going to go to admin and widgets, and then you'll see lightbox over here. What we'll do is drag in from here a lightbox into there. Just to make it easier, I'm going to do it again. Okay. And then you would click here at the top right hand corner and you would say add media. You drag in your video, which we've done already, and it would show up like this one does. Okay. Now in general, when you do add a video, you would actually put a title, maybe even some description, text around it for SEO purposes. Okay. And then you would insert into post. Then once you have that video in place, it should look something like this. You can actually, what you want to do is kind of move it to the area where you want it to be, to show, and then you're going to take an image of it. So I use snipping tool, and I will clip an image of that video, and I'll save that. Okay. Close. Now what we're doing is here, we're going to just leave this here. We're going to go to settings over here, and we want it to do not when page load. We don't want this to pop up when page loads. We want this to pop up when you click on a link on the page. And you'd press save. In this case, once again, I told you I already did this already, so I'm just going to leave the one I had before. Okay. And this is the code that's going to show up. Settings, link on page, and then you have the href and stuff like that. All right, so now what you do is you go back to the page we're working on, and you add an image, the image we just did. So we added the image. Then you go into the text editor, and you're going to usually just see this, which is the code is image class and all the information about the image. But what you want to do also is you want to link it. So you want to put an A with an arrow, right, and an arrow on the other side. And then you want to copy in that code from that area over here, which is href, right? So you're going to take A, href, basically from there to there. Okay? You're going to copy that. You're going to put that in front of all of that. You're going to put in front of the image. And then you're going to take this little A with the arrow and you're going to put that at the end of the image. And what that does, saying if anyone clicks on this image, it's going to take you to this lightbox. And when you press save and done, what you're going to end up getting is you're first going to display whatever image you want to be seeing. And when you click on it, it jumps up like this, and you can then make a full screen or just watch the video. All right, so that's how you add a video directly onto the website. One caveat, one part that you have to remember is that when you add a video to the website, it has to be small. I think it's 25 megabytes, maybe less, but I'm not sure. I do use a program called Handbrake. For those of you who don't know how to use Handbrake, really quickly, it's a free program. Open the file. Okay, and I'm just going to take this video. Okay, you upload the file. Then you browse, which is going to be destination folder, like where do you want the output of the video, where do you want the video to go once it's done compressing it. And you say output settings, you go to video, and you say web optimized. Okay, that's general, and then you just press start right here, and it will go through the process. However, if you want it to be a specific size, for example, if you want it to go on the website, it needs to be under 25 megabytes. So you may want to use something like Gmail, large, 3 minutes, it's 720 by 30, and you can see here in the notes it's 25 megabytes or less. And so you would just click on this, and that would give you a specific setting that it already pre-optimizes the video for. Okie doke.